morning, students, and welcome to your English class.
Today, we will learn about letter V. Letter V is the next letter after letter U. Its sound is V as when.
Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
In this picture, there is a vase on the table. In the vase, there are violet flowers. A basket of vegetables is also placed on the table. Vase, violet, vegetables are friends of V. Do you know some more friends of V? Good job! Violin, van, volcano, vulture are some more friends of V. Children, in this lesson, we learned about vegetables. Vegetables are healthy for us. Do you know where do the vegetables grow? Well done. Vegetables are grown in the field. A farmer grows the vegetables in the field. There is a vase on the table, and there are some flowers in it. Can you count the flowers? Good job! There are 4 flowers. Let's learn to write letter V. It's very easy. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.